So do you have this issue? Sure, your lead shin guards won't stay on the position, like they will just keep coming down on one side or sometime both sides. Well, stay tuned. I have solution for you. Really quick and 100% working. Just to let you know that this video has been recorded after testing it for 6 rides out. So what you do is actually it's really simple and it's working. It's tried and tested. You wear this here, but here this whole work is here, the technique is here. So when you tying this up, make sure this higher one and the middle one, the middle hook is clamped to the bottom one, the last one, see, and the last one is clamped to the middle one. I guarantee I have really skinny legs and I'm wearing slippery pants, trouser, and still it won't go down now. Try it. So this is a big problem of these lead shin guards. So now see, the middle one goes to the bottom one and the bottom one comes to the middle one. Problem fixed. Now these will stay where you have it. These will not go down. Try it and you will praise me. No need to drill holes or anything. Try it. Just to let you know that this video has been recorded after testing it for 6 rides out. I would love to hear your feedback.